Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So that means this one will go to positive infinity. Similar for this one. So we have positive over positive infinity over positive infinity. That is about L hospital. So in this situation, we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have 1 over s plus 100. This one we have 1 over s. So about s, we'll go to numerator. Next, we divide s on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.